First thing I'm gonna do is actually remove all of, how did I get ink on me already? Oh my gosh. I don't know how I got ink on me already. I just cleaned my table. But anyway, I'm removing my Memo Me, and these are Post-its I bought, or I got from Stationery Pal. Okay, so removing all of these, and this is how I pre-plan my month. Okay, I need to wash this off, it's bugging me. Okay, so for anyone who's never seen my videos with regard to how I use my monthlies, I use these for social media planning. So I basically plan out my Instagram posts, my YouTube videos. I also keep stats here. I used to use this for pre-planning for family events and things, but now that I have my passport planner, that's not what I use it for. So this is strictly for social media. Okay, so let's do one big circle here. And then I'll do a smaller circle here because I want room to be able to put stats here, so I don't need to overload it just yet. Now I want to also use this washi from According to Allie. It's her alcohol ink washi, and I think the blue might go really well. Although this blue on blue may not work, we'll see. Then adding these cutie patooties. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at the bunnies. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Then I'm going to add some of this grid washi, probably up at the top here. Then add in some of these cute bunnies. Oh my gosh, these were so, I will say, frustrating to make. They were not turning out the way that I wanted them, and it took a few tries for me to get the bunnies the way that I wanted them, but now I'm really happy with how they turned out. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now, and then I'm going to start writing in, but I have to figure out what ink is gonna work best in these, because if we go to my February, like what ink is best going to match? So probably the Sailor Tinterias Agave, but it doesn't feel like anything else would match. Possibly my Waterman. That's like the only one that would possibly match right now, but I think we will stick to, ooh, that is a tough one. Am I inking up any of these? I am, I think I am. I'm looking ahead to what I'm possibly inking up next month. And yes, this could be an option, but I haven't inked up that pen yet, so I can't use it today. So let's just go with the Le Rebond Rosa Tinterias. It's a good ink. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is write IG and YT for all of the days throughout the month, and this helps me to plan out what YouTube videos I'm gonna do. I do only try to do 4 videos a week. I used to be in a place where I was doing like 7 or 8 videos a week, and that was overwhelming and I burned myself out. And now I'm at a good place with 4 videos a week. It's manageable, but still fun. And that's what I wanted social media to be for me. I didn't want it to be this crazy thing where it felt like work. So 4 videos a week works well for me. And then down the side, I'm also going to write down my stickers or the collections that I'm going to use this week, because then that way it helps me to shop my stash and plan out which sticker shops I'm using for the week. Then down at the bottom here, I'm gonna do my stats. So let's look at the previous month to see how I did that. Stats for YouTube and Instagram and affiliates. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this is I'll take one of these, and these are not the clear ones, so I will have to write on top of them using, where is my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And I think I need a new one of these. This one's running out here. Then I will have stats for YouTube. And here it'll be YouTube. And I'm gonna write, it'll be subscribers and views. Then underneath that, I will have Instagram, and I'm gonna write Instagram, it's followers, right? I think I'd have done this long enough by now. Followers, yeah. And that's at the end of March. And then here I will have affiliates. So how do I want to, sorry for the continuous back and forth. Okay. So affiliates, put that here. And then I'll do just affiliates. And then we have Atlas. We have According to Allie, and then we also have Hemlock and Oak. And I realized I forgot Amazon. Okay, perfect. All right, so setting this up wise, that's pretty much what I need to add to it, but I feel like I can add little tiny bunnies. Why not add the little tiny bunnies? And I don't know, put one on my birthday, 26th of March. Put one on the 15th because that is the start of the Made in Canada Planner collab sale. And then what's another good date to put this on? Let's just put it on the 3rd. Here we go. Oh, how cute are they? And then I'm gonna add maybe another couple of circles around here just because the circles are fun. And where do I want to add a circle? I feel like I'm gonna put one here because I accidentally wrote IG and YouTube on there when I didn't really need to. And let's add a bunny there, because why not? Then I feel like I can leave it at that for decoration. So I'm gonna go back and write in all of the post-it notes. And then once I'm done doing that, then we'll flip over to my currently section. Okay, so I'm really liking how that's looking. It helps to plan everything out for me, but also this pen, my Atelier Lusso with Herbon Roi d'Encre, seems to match perfectly well. So that is my monthly spread. Let's move over to the currently spread for March. Okay, so here I am in March, and what I've done beforehand is actually count out all the pages that I would need so that I have a day per page. And because these aren't dated, I've had to go in myself and add in, you know, where April's gonna go, where May is gonna go, etc., so that I make sure that I have enough pages for everything. So this is what February looks like. I have currently inked up here, decoration here, and then my goals and books I've read. So we're pretty much gonna do the same thing. Let me just grab my months. I've also started adding tabs for my daily pages as well, and these are tabs from my shop now. I have them in 4 different colors, and they're on the premium matte paper. So let's do, okay, I'm gonna add a whole bunch of decoration in the middle, And this is the format that I started the year off with, and it seems to be working quite well for me. Let's straighten that out. Okay. And just there. Whoops. Straight. Add in this big circle. And then a cute row of bunnies. Oh my gosh. How cute are they? Then these I can add throughout the spread. I'm just looking to see what else I've done. So put that here with I feel like it needs the blue or this one to go with it. Is that gonna leave me enough room though to add in all my inks? Probably not. So I'm gonna just do that. Then this one I'm going to put down here with a blue, and I'm gonna have to move around where I'm going to be putting my goals and the books red and things like that, but that's okay. Then up here is going to go currently inked, and I think I'm going to do this slightly differently this time around. I'm just looking at how I've done everything here. Okay. Oh, I didn't even add in the month March yet. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, then I just want to make sure that I have enough room to add in 9 different inks here. It's like, I'll make room. Basically need 15, right? So if I put that down here, and I'll have 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh my gosh, I can't count. Hold on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That will be enough for 8. No, I can actually do 9 probably over here. Okay. Let's put that down. And then this. And I'm just going to write in very small letters. Currently inked. And then down here, I'm gonna do this here. Move that up a bit. And then it'll be books I've read. And I will add these. I love these dots so much. They're basically miniature versions of these big circles, and I just love them. Then goals, which I will add down here. Yeah, let's move that down here. And then add the dots for the goals now. Okay. There you go. Oh gosh, I'm really liking how this is turning out. And then I still have room to add a few other stickers if I want to. And I think I will. Okay, so I have the quote, which I could actually put down here. So let's do that. I just want somebody to love. I'm gonna add this grid washi. This is just something underneath the quote. Oh, cute, cute, cute. So that sticker sheet is finished. And then I have one more circle, which if I had thought about it properly, I would have chosen a different color so that, but I can put that on a different page. Then maybe put this cute bunny here. Here. Go down. There we go. And then I have 2 more bunnies. Oh my god, they're just so adorable. And like the colors of that are too similar, so I feel like I could put this one here. And then I'm gonna leave these other 2 stickers to put back on the other currently page. Okay, oh my gosh, how cute is that? I love that. What do you guys think? So let's just go back to the other monthly page just so that I can make use of these. So this, I'm going to, I'm gonna place it right here actually. I know I'm gonna cover the 25th, but I don't normally post things on Mondays. Then, I have 1 more bunny. Where do I want to put you? I almost want to put you here, but then I block out whatever I could put on Sunday. That's okay. Unless, no, this bunny goes here. Although it makes it, where do I want to put you? I almost want to put you on a Wednesday because I don't really post anything on Wednesdays. Yeah, I don't. So you are going right here because you're cute. Right in the center. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3 sticker sheets used. And as a side note, one of the things that I also do, today is the 26th, I add date stamps to the back of the sticker sheets once I finish them, and I'm actually keeping track of all the sticker sheets I finished this month, so I'm happy with that. And then these I can use in other spreads as well. All right, so there's the monthly spread, there's the currently spread, and it is adorable. I'm looking forward to that. All right, so that is it for me. Gosh, it's a mess on my desk today, but it normally is, and I don't mind it. What do you guys think of my 2 spreads here? So we have the monthly spread with the bunnies and then the currently spread. Let me know if you guys like that, and how do you guys decorate your currently spread if you have a planner that doesn't have the dated pages. So you kind of have to go in your own format, which is great, but for some people that can be really, really intimidating to have to create your own format. All right, once again, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.